that's a lot of accessories. And I mean, the chairs are just, wow, leather. I mean, you can even smell how the leather in this thing. But the quality is pretty good. Price. It's really comfortable. Oh wow, so this is the tire. So the tire is actually rubbered. And I think that's where the neon LED lights on here, and it even has that so you can plug it in. Interesting. But I like the tire. It's like rubberized, so it's gonna have a nice ride. And that's the other tires. So all this come in one. So I'm gonna put all this thing together, and because I didn't know it's gonna be more accessories. And I think these are the mirrors, and these are the screws, and more stuff. This is the steering wheel, and also this is the rim. It's plastic. I mean, all of them are, and especially if you're gonna ride around the dirt or something. So, yep. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing together, and I think this is where the controller is. Let's see where the controller. Maybe this one right here. Okay, that's where the controller. So you can control it. Like a little gamepad, and this is like the lights, and this is the bar to I guess you can carry it around just in case you ran out of battery. But everything else, it's a lot of accessories. So I'm gonna go and put this all together. And what I think of it already, I'm just surprised what it comes with. That's a big difference on kind of like the one wheel tires. Put it together myself. The only thing that I don't like about this is the fact that I would say this part here, this is the only, I would say, like, I guess they just make it for looks. I mean, it's really nothing to it. See, when you see there's no wires or there's no LEDs, so maybe you have to purchase, or might have to get it from somewhere else to get a purchase one. But anyway, I just took him off because I mean, it's really bright. I already got the front and the bottom lights already with this thing, so I don't think it matters anyway in the back, so I would say. And the battery here, that on this one, so the good thing that I like about it is the fact that the battery can come on, you know, without no problem. And this battery, it has it's full. It's got some stuff to it, so you already know that if you have something like this, it's very solid. Because I bought the UTV, what was that, the MX 2000. The battery is so tiny that it's a four-wheel drive. Yes, I understand it's a four-wheel drive, but the problem is it just dies on you because the battery's not enough juice. But this one has it, and this is how it closes. Just remind me of my Jeep. And this is basically it. And also you have this to pull, or you can push it back inside. And if you want to carry it around, You can actually just put it down, push it in there. And the seats is leather, and then you can make it smaller, or you can, you know, make it incline more closer to the steering wheel. And you got the seat belts. You can also modify it, so if your son is a little bit smaller, you can actually just take this off and put it on this side. And the controller doesn't have on and off. It's just simple. If you move it around, it automatically turns on. And for instance, I'll just go ahead and turn this on now. And then, please fasten your seatbelt. So all I have to do now is just press this. So it automatically turns on itself. And you have the mode. So just go to the first one. And it just had that cool LED lights on the wheel. And yeah, by remote control. And you can see the lights are super bright. And you can just go ahead and turn that off. Go ahead and turn off the, and then of course they have music too, already preloaded. See, interesting. And the steering wheel is, it's not one of those, I would say one of those cheap steering wheel. This one is pretty good. See, it steers. I mean, it's like precision. So it's not one of those cheap ones. And then if you can actually brake, and the brake works. And just pushing it back, it'll just shut off. So then you can also have the different kind of speed on this. And that's it, I would say. Yeah, very interesting. So hopefully tomorrow when he wakes up, he's gonna go for a ride. And you can also charge this from here, so I'll just go ahead and turn that off, and this automatic shuts off. And I'll probably get another extra battery for this, but everything else is not, you know, I'm satisfied with it. I mean, the seats is really comfortable on it. Of course, it's leather. It has radio, it has lights. This is the rear-wheel drive version, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna come up with the all-wheel drive. And I think you can also modify it, so you just gotta look around. But you know, I got a 1-year-old, so by the time he's 3 or 4 years old, I'm probably gonna put my boosted board motors on here that can go like 30 miles an hour. Not only 2, I'll probably put 4 all around. But now he's still a kid, so you know, I just want him to enjoy this. And I'm probably gonna do coding on this one, modified iPad, so not only using the controller, but you can actually use the iPad and do like a little FPV. But everything else is good, man. And the doors on this one opens good on both sides, so you have that pin in there. And yeah, so that's the only part that I did on this one, is I take this off. I'm probably just gonna put some cushioning in here or something, or maybe later on I'll add some LED lights. But right now it's good enough. It's pretty bright already, so that's about it.
Look, he has his foot up. Look, he has his foot up. It's like he's driving a Jeep. Off-road, don't think you're in, off-road. Woo! Off-road, look at that. Okay, back up, reverse. Look at that, power. Woo! All right, here. Even have a music on it.